Shortly, you can refer me AK. I have around 15-year experience in IT world with different roles like as a developer, technical lead, architecture and designer. As a trainer, I have around more than 10,000 students across the globe of India in technology like data structure, .NET, Java, Oracle, SQL Server, design patterns, solid principle, jQuery, Angular and many more. I am Microsoft certified professional and also awarded as best student from CDAC Pune, India in 2000 for my achievement in advanced computing. I will be your instructor throughout this course by name Design Pattern in C# by using professional examples. The flow of the course will start with creational design pattern, and under this we will check simple factory. Creation of object by using a create exam method for online exam applications. Then factory method. Creation of object by using concrete factory subclasses for the online exam. Then we will go ahead with abstract factory. Creation of object for window and dialog with respect to different operating system by using abstract widget factory. Singleton. Here we will use one generic example to understand the concept, and we will see the example of static initializations and double lock checking. In prototype pattern, we will see how to create a prototype object at runtime for general customer and privileged customer. Builder pattern. Here we will see how we will create the object in series of steps by using Fluent interface and then bank builder for bank account applications. Then our flow will shift to the next sections, and that will be your structural design pattern. Under structural design pattern, we will check adapter. We will use adapter in between media player and media package. Then we will check bridge between persistent mechanisms and file types. In composite pattern, we will create a HTML tree structure with parent and child element. In decorator pattern, we will decorate our car racing applications with the stage progressions, with the features like in every stage the number of cars will be changed, the environment will be changed. We will check more detail in decorator pattern. In facade pattern, the facade report generator for different type of database. And in proxy pattern, we will check what is the different kind of proxy like remote proxy, virtual proxy and protection proxy, and we will check this concept by using restaurant applications. And finally, we will continue with behavioral design pattern. Under this pattern, we will check chain of responsibility. Here we will use ATM withdraw applications for different denominator of Indian rupees. Command pattern. Here we will use a calculator applications with redo and undo features. Interpreter. We will use one applications. That application is convert Roman number to the natural number. Iterator. Here we will check iterating the post of a block. Mediator pattern. A chart mediator will be used for different category of users like music category user, dance category of users or any other user category. Memento. In this pattern, we will create a save points of the file contents so that you can go back to the previous save point at any time. Observer pattern. Here we will notify all customers when product is available. Friends, at the end we will touch solid principle, and in the solid principle we will check first things to checkpoint to see dirty code. Then we will check, should we give importance to the solid principle? Then we will continue with acronym of solid principle. Then SRP, single responsibility principle concept with violation. We will use one example, loan applications which will violate SRP. Then we will check OCP, open close principle, and we will use the same application, loan applications, where we will use open close principle. Then Liskov substitution principles. We will add a new loan type, educational loan, to our loan application, and we will verify how it is violating the Liskov substitution principle. Then we will continue with interface segregation principle. Here we will check how we will provide solution to the LSP violation. At the end, we will check dependency inversion principle. Here we will use English and phrase messenger to understand the concept in loan application. Friends, many things to cover. See you in next sections. Thank you.